Okay, so my first video is I'm going to do a cooking video on the Star Wars Galaxy Edge, the official Black Spire Outpost cookbook. This is my first recipe I'm going to try. This cookbook is written by Chelsea Monroe Castle and Mark Sumarak. Anyways, it's a super cool cookbook. It's based off of Galaxy's Edge. In the beginning of the cookbook, there's some cool pictures, but it starts with an introduction, and you get introduced to this guy, and his name is Ronto Tugs, but you can call him Cookie. And the first part, he talks about the different food, and the Black Spire Outpost, and all the different things at the Black Spire Outpost and on Batuu. And it kind of gives you a look into Batuu if you were to go there at Disney World or Disneyland. So that's kind of cool to get a glimpse at that if you have not been there. So the first recipe I'm going to try out of this cookbook is actually the one that's on the cover. This is called a Ronto Wrap. You can get these in the parks at Disney World and Disneyland. The Ronto Wrap in the park is a little bit different than the one in the cookbook, but I think it's supposed to have the same general flavors, so we will see. I'm going to start off by making the actual wrap part of the Ronto Wrap, and that takes an hour to rise, so let's get started. Okay, so here's the recipe, and there's a picture of what it is supposed to look like at the end, so we'll see how mine turns out.